Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to disconnect Instagram from Meta Account Center. To do this, you just need to open the account that you want to disconnect from the account center, and after that you need to click on your profile, enter to your profile, and after that click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that click on account center and scroll down a little bit until you find an option called accounts. You just need to click on it and wait a little bit, and as you can see now, it will give you like all the Facebook and Instagram account related to the same account center. And to remove your account from the account center, you just need to select it and click on remove, and after that click on remove account, and after that continue, and if you click yes, finish removing this Instagram account will be disconnected from that Meta account center, and you can link it with another account center if you want. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.